COVID-19 testing has been challenging all across the country, including here in California. But the governor is promising to ramp up efforts to increase our testing capacity. Our 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala shows us how it's going so far here in San Diego.
Some were positive, some were negative.
Testing for signs of COVID-19 outside of Eldami Wellness Pharmacy in both Barrio Logan and La Jolla is underway and working well.
I stay 6 feet away from them.
Ahmed Eldami is an advanced practice pharmacist who's using these test kits that can detect if a patient's blood contains coronavirus antibodies.
You poke your finger, you get a good drop of blood, and you place it on a strip.
All done from your car, and in 10 to 15 minutes, the results show up. All local COVID-19 tests are required to be reported to the county's public health department. This graph shows that from March 13th to April 4th, there were more than 17,000 tests here. But the county is urging those giving the test to prioritize people who have symptoms or who are in the high-risk categories, which is exactly what's happening over at UCSD Health. Dr. David Pride, the associate director of the Clinical Microbiological Lab, says they're giving about 300 to 400 tests a day.
We have developed our tests to be able to sort of respond to the myriad of different specimens that are out there in the community.
Right now, UCSD Health has the capacity to test up to 700 people a day, but Pride says the demand isn't that high for a specific reason.
We're restricting testing mostly to symptomatic patients.
Regardless, by mid-April, they expect to be able to test 1,000 to 1,500 people per day.
I've been impressed with everyone who's been working so hard in our laboratory so that we have been able to ramp up our testing.
Mimi Alcala, 10 News.
And Governor Newsom says the state is partnering with UC San Diego and UC Davis to create at least 5 testing hubs. The goal is to get as many people tested as possible. Sharp Healthcare tells us it is currently giving about 300 tests a day. Rady Children says it's giving about 100 a day, but plans to increase testing this week.